Okay, so now we proceed with question C. Okay, so given the candidate is male, what is the probability he is less than 60? So this is the formula for the question C. Okay, so before we do the posterior probability, we need to find the value of the PB2. PB2 is less than 60, so we need to do the table. Okay, so now the answer for this PB2 is 0.25. I already put the value from this tree diagram into the table, so the PB2 is 0.25, which come from here. Okay, I add these two values. Okay, so now the posterior probability here is this one divided by this one, so 0.25 divided by 0.25, you will get 1 here, and 0 divided by 0.25, you will get 0. Okay, so what's the answer for this one? PA2, the joint probability is 0, so the PB2 is 0.25, and the answer is 0. So this is the answer for question C. Okay, so now let's proceed with the question D, the last question. Given that the person is over 60, what is the probability that the person is female? Okay, so now the person is female, PA1, given that over the 60, B1. Okay, so this one, PA, okay, PA1, B1 divided by PB1. Okay, so now we need to find the value for PB1. Just now we calculate for PB2, next we need to do for PB1. Okay, so let's do together. Okay, so this one is even. The prior probability, PAI, conditional probability, PB1, okay, goes over than 60, B1 AI. Okay, so the joint probability is PAI intercept B1. Okay, so last column is the posterior probability, PAI given B1, PAI intercept B1 divided PB1. Okay, so now we put the value from the tree into the table, A1, A2. The probability is still the same like this above table, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so now we look at the conditional probability, B1 A1, this one 0.5. Okay, so B1 A2 is equals to 1. Okay, so now the joint probability here, A1 intercept B1 is 0.25. Okay, so for this one, A2 intercept B1 is here 0.5. Okay, so now we calculate the PB1. We just add up these two values, you will get 0.75. Okay, so lastly we need to calculate the posterior probability. So this one divided by this one, 0.25 divided by 0.75, this one that you will get 0.3333. Okay, let's check. 75. Okay, so it's correct, 0.3333. Okay, so now Next one is 0.5 divided by 0.75. You will get the answer 0.6667. Okay, so you can check the calculation. If this one, the sum up is 2, so meaning your calculation is correct. So now we just take the values from here into the formula. A1 B1 is from here, so 0.25. Okay, so divided by PB1 is 0.75, so the answer would be this one, 0.3333. Okay, so done for question number 2.